Hi everyone, let's learn how to ask someone's name in Thai. It's very easy and super polite too. The phrase is คุณชื่ออะไรคะ Say it with me. คุณชื่ออะไรคะ It means, what's your name? This is the polite way to ask someone nicely. Use it when you meet new Thai friends. Alright, let's practice together. Say it after me. คุณชื่ออะไรคะ One more time. คุณชื่ออะไรคะ Now, let's try it in a short conversation. คุณชื่ออะไรคะ ฉันชื่อแพนค่ะ See, that's easy and cute, right? Here's a polite tip. Girls say ค่ะ at the end and boys say ครับ That's how we sound polite in Thai. Now it's your turn. Ready? Let's go. Say it just like this. คุณชื่ออะไรคะ And then you can answer, My name is... Perfect! Great job! Bonus time! Let's learn a few more words. ชื่อ means name. คุณ means you. And ฉัน means I or me. Now you can make your own Thai sentences. Let's review together. คุณชื่ออะไรคะ means what's your name? And don't forget to add ka for a sweet, polite tone. Now you can ask someone's name in Thai. Isn't that lovely? Comment your name below. Let's practice together. I can't wait to read your answers. Thanks for learning Thai with me today. See you next time, here on K Life Blend by CNK. Learn Thai the warm and easy way.